Now I take that back. Changing your own oil is not just better than sex. It is spiritually orgasmic. Doable, even if you don't have many tools, and by fucking God, by the end of this video, you're gonna be on my side of this issue. The money you'll save? Oh my God, talk about Jordan Belfort, okay? The time you'll save, oh my God. Even if you are Elon Musk himself, you are going to be begging to change your own oil by the end of this video. That was not the right CEO to choose. My point is, in this video, I'm going to teach you the incredibly hot skill that is changing your own oil, and I'm gonna do it through the medium of changing the oil on my mom's 2011 Toyota Sienna minivan, which I realize now is maybe a bit weird for this video, but in my defense, mine's not due for another 6 months, and what do you expect me to do? Wait? Get real. And more importantly, by the end of this video, you are going to agree with me that Katniss Everdeen standing naked right in front of you, breathing down your chest, or if you're a woman or gay, Sheldon Cooper doing the same, stands no chance against the pure Chad energy of a jug of Amazon Basics 0W20. Let's begin by looking at prep work. For an oil change, this really only consists of 5 main things, and even including the price of the tools, you're probably still gonna spend less than a trip to Valvoline, let alone the black hole that is a BMW dealer invoice. Now, it is true that in some rare cases, you'll need more than that. For instance, if you own a Ferrari, you're probably gonna need to buy an entire Italian master mechanic named Antonio to go with it, but at least your prep work for sex is taken care of. For the rest of us, though, in shitbox Hondas, here's what we're gonna need. Something to drain our oil into, oil, an oil filter, a filter removal tool, and a wrencher socket to go with it, and then a new crush washer for the drain bolt. Pretty simple, right? And the best part is you can filter the results on most websites to only compatible ones, so you don't have anything that might just not be compatible at all. Does Tinder do that? Oh, didn't think so. And while we're on that topic, if you're trying to open up the gates of Mordor, you're gonna need a hell of a lot more. Like a personality, charisma, overpriced drinks and food, probably a job, protection, emotional protection, you can't buy that on Amazon, and fucking luck. Like, what am I, a goddamn hippie? I don't leave things to chance. Clearly bullshit. And this continues into actually doing the deed. So to change your car's oil, start by removing the oil fill cap, then put a container under the drain bolt and remove the drain bolt. Now, opening the fill cap first just allows air to get in, which speeds everything up. It's basically the same principle as shotgunning a beer. Now, while this is draining, I just want you to take notice of the fact that it's not thinking about its last owner mid-act. Once that's done, we can start going towards the oil filter to replace it. At this point, you might be getting a little bit hard. Don't worry, completely normal. We're about done, so just keep pushing. Put the drain bolt back with a new washer, fill it up again from the top with however much your owner's manual says it takes, and you're done. 9 minutes and 49 seconds, baby. I wouldn't even be at the oil change place yet. So, even if you're a very busy individual, high status, it still makes sense to do. And the best part is, you know that this job wasn't done by someone who's high on shrooms and vape. Sex, on the other hand, have you seen this diagram? I mean, Jesus Christ, what do we need a doctorate to understand this? And really, guys, at the end of this process, will you have saved money? No. Will you be rewarded for being quick? No. Will you be covered in gross liquids? Yes. But do those gross liquids enable our global economy to function efficiently and on time? No. And that brings us to the cleanup stage of an oil change, which is actually pretty simple, since presumably you were wearing clothes. The only snag is used oil is actually environmentally hazardous, so you're gonna need to take it somewhere for proper disposal. Now, what most people will tell you, and what the conventional wisdom is to take it to an auto parts store. But what they won't say is that, half the time their tanks will be full, and the other half of the time, the employees will look at you like you're some sort of mega Karen for using a service they offer. So I guess what I'm trying to get at is you might find better luck just donating it to your local Dawn offices so they can pour it on some baby seals or something and make commercials.